Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz and we have here basic operation, division, plus and minus and multiplication. So here we have to see which answer is correct after solving it, and we have four answers: 14, B is 7, C is 3 by 2 and D is 11. So what after solving it we can see like which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that what are the rules which we will apply to solve this arithmetic expression. As you can see on the screen, we have two type of rules, BODMAS and PEMDAS. Basically, these are the rules which we can use to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says B stand for bracket or P stand for parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, let's move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, like you have expression which contains basic operation and also the bracket. So according to the rule of BODMAS and PEMDAS, you have to solve first the bracket. So here we will solve the parenthesis, or you can say the bracket. So this is the bracket and we will solve this part first. So we will write this part as it is. 7 minus 2 equals to 5, and this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. 7 minus 2 equals to. Now move forward to solve the exponent part. So here we do not have any exponent part. So now we will move forward left to right in our expression. We will write left to right. We will go and find out the division and multiplication. So first we have the division. So we will solve this part first. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5 plus, and other things we will write as it is. So this part we will write as it is. Now we will give the reference here. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. Now move forward again. We will go left to right, and now we will solve again multiplication and division first. So here we have the division. One thing, like sometimes we will solve this part first. So this is not, we cannot solve this part first. We have to solve first all division and multiplication. So here we have the division again. So we will solve this part first, and we will write as it is. So 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. And now we will give the reference. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Now move forward to solve the left to right again. And now we do not have any multiplication and division. So we will see addition and subtraction. So first we have to add this part, which is equals to 11. And minus 4, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. And in the end, we have the answer is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. So the answer of the given expression is 7. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.